the diagram shows a regular hexagon, PQRSTU, a square, PQVW, and an equilateral triangle, VXW. What is the size of angle XVR? So we need to work out this angle here.
Okay. I'll just put a big one here.
Yep.
Okay.
This angle here.
Yep.
That's the one. And because you can see that this is 360. And to work out that, we have to work out these three other angles.
Yeah.
As we know, this one is 60 degrees because this is an equilateral triangle.
Okay.
This is 90 because it's a square. But this one, we are not sure because we don't know what type of triangle this is. And this is also 90. And to work out this triangle, we also have to work out this little angle here. So we need to work out the interior angle of a hexagon.
Yeah.
Because this is a regular hexagon, all these angles are the same. So one of these angles is the same as this one, let's say.
Yeah.
So to work it out, you could do this. Make triangles inside the hexagon.
Yeah.
There are 4 triangles, and the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So it will be 180 times by 4 triangles. So that's 0, 2, 3, 720. But that's the angles of all of them added up. So we need to do 720 divided by 6. So that means one angle of a hexagon is 120.
Very nice. I'll get rid of these now because we don't need them anymore. Yeah. So
yeah. Which means this little angle has to be 30 because 90 plus 30 gives you 120 degrees.
Yeah.
And this side of the square is the same as one side of a hexagon, which means this is an isosceles triangle. And because it's an isosceles triangle, these 2 angles here are exactly the same.
Very nice.
So this triangle, they always add up, the angles inside always add up to 180 degrees, which means 180 minus 30 is 50, and we need to half this because that's what you would get for one angle of the isosceles triangle. For the bottom bits. So that would be 75 degrees. Oh, there we go. Because if we add all of these up together and minus 360 minus these, you'll get to the answer XVR.
Yeah, put this on
so 90 plus 60 plus 75. So that would be that means these angles all add up together gives you 225. So 360 minus 225, so 5, would get you to 135 degrees. So the answer would be D.
Yeah, very nice. And the main thing, I guess, is that you recognize that the side of the square here is exactly the same as the side of the hexagon.
Yeah.
Which means that it forces it to be an isosceles triangle. Very nice. But without that, it'd be pretty much quite hard to do. Very nice. Let me stop the recording for a second.